Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I know that is my car or truck's shock good or bad. And here I have brand new shock absorber, and in using this shock we can test and also understand that what is difference between bad shock and good shock. And the point is that this shock absorber, there is high pressure inside that black area, and that's this part goes always out if everything is okay. And now I compress this shock in the starting position, and when I release that, this piston, it should goes up in that way. And this means that now we have good and workable shock. And this is the point. And again, I move that in here, and this part is connected to car body, and look, when I release that, how it moves. And doing that kind of test, we can notice that our shock absorber is okay. And if we have bad shock, then this piston, it don't move. It is like stable, all time unmovement. And this is the point that why it is good to check our shock status, and the easiest way is that we remove this part from car body. Because if this is connected in car body, this goes to car body, and that one in this wheel strut and this control arm position, then it is difficult to see that what is our shock status. Okay, that kind of information, and thank you for watching.